What is up guys, welcome back to a new review. Today we're checking out the Travis Scott Falcon Brown from Play Shoes / Pancake. So yeah, first of all they come with the box. Shipping was really fast and they look really good. They come with the extra laces, the stitching is done correctly. And yeah, they look really good. So all the information is down in the description. You can send us a DM if you need more information, or you can send Play Shoes a direct message. Yeah, the shipping was really fast. Details look good. So yeah, these are definitely really nice.